Okay. Now pull it back. All right. Now go ahead. Get that stance up there.
Dad, you gotta help me.
Look that
You're
way.
okay. Just
You're
listen
okay.
to him.
So you look that way. Make sure you got a good grip. Hold on.
Grip real
Not
tight.
yet. Make sure you got that good grip on it. Don't like squeeze like death grip on it, you know, but make sure you got a good control of it. And then when you feel you're ready, you got your sights lined up, go ahead and start slowly pulling that trigger.
And remember, after you shoot, keep the gun pointing over there.
What's that?
When you shoot it, does it?
It's going to recoil on you, absolutely.
A little bit. You'll be
It's not
okay.
gonna be big. It's not going to be like the shotgun. It's not. It'll be nothing like the shotgun.
Okay.
So remember, now lean into it a little bit, kind of get a good stance, bend your knees a little bit, lean forward at the waist. Lean forward at the waist a little bit.
What do you mean?
Like bend forward like that. There you go. And that puts your body weight into it, so it's not going to throw you back as much.
Okay.
All right, whenever you're ready.
I'm scared.
All right, it's okay.
Slow,
You
just-
should be.
Slowly squeeze.
Just slow.
Wow.
Finger on
Keep the gun
trigger.
pointing away.
Yeah, now put your finger up there. See how the slide's back? That means it's empty. So now what you're going to do is you're going to drop the magazine, which is this button right over here. Push that button. There you go. So now you think you're ready for 2 rounds? So remember now when you shoot it, it's going to be ready to shoot again. So make sure you're only pulling the trigger once.
Well, I got foggy really fast.
There you go.
Ask him.
Finger
Talk to him.
I shoot it
So
again?
you're ready.
Yeah, there's one more in there. See, now it's locked back, so now you're empty again.
That's good.